This is the gel, bro. I did not expect. This is the gel, bro. I did not expect. Freak. So I'm so excited to try it out. I had done it once in 2021, but now it's time to try it. So the first thing you need are raw flax seeds. I like to add 2 to 3 cups of water and add 3 heaping spoons of flax seeds into it. Give it a good mix and let it boil for 10 minutes on medium heat till it comes to a gel-like consistency. And I would like for it to cool for 1 to 2 minutes so that the seeds settle at the bottom and the gel comes on top, so it's easier to separate it, and I didn't have to use a strainer or anything. It just came out easily. So let's apply it all over our hair. Okay, just trust the process. Put a towel. Bro, the shine is so good. Okay, first let's. Section. Look at the difference. It helps in detangling also so much. Oh my god, my footage didn't record. So these are the results. I have applied. It freaking didn't record me applying on my front bits. It was not recording. So I have applied the curl gel on my front bits and I am loving the results. Like the curls are already calm and they're so juicy. I will definitely use this. It's so much better than the store-bought gels. Like it gives me such good results and I will definitely try it again. Like so glossy, juicy, shiny, and it gives me the cast, bro. I want a gel which can hold my hair and it's definitely holding.